order these from least to greatest. We just kind of did this, but they were all in correct scientific notation. These aren't. So 0.052 times 10 to the 7. Remember that first number has to be between 1 and 10. So to make that happen, it would have to be 5.2. We can't keep the same exponent. Check this out. They're like opposites of each other. So we had to make that first number larger, right? From 0.052, we had to make it larger 2 decimal places. So that's going to be the opposite of what we have to do to the exponent. If we have to make the number in front larger, that means we have to make the exponent smaller. So we made that bigger 2 times. So we have to make this smaller 2 times. So what is 2 smaller than 7? It would be 10 to the 5th. So there it is in proper scientific notation, 5.2 times 10 to the 5th. The second one, 5.12 times 10 to the 5th, that's in proper scientific notation. The third one, 53.2, that's too big. It's got to be between 1 and 10. So that would have to be 5.32. We had to make that smaller. So the exponent we have to make larger. It was 10 to the 1st. So now we will make it larger and make it 10 to the 2nd because we only had to change 1 decimal place. And then the third one, 534, that's just in standard notation, but to get it into scientific notation, we'd make that 5.34. And then that would be moving the decimal 2 places over. So it'd be times 10 to the 2nd. So if we were then to put these in order from least to greatest, let's look at the exponents first. These two have an exponent of 2. So those will be our smallest ones. So look at the decimals then, 5.32 or 5.34. Which one was the smallest? 5.32. So we'll say 5.32 times 10 to the 2nd. Then we've got 5.34 times 10 to the 2nd. Now, these are both to the 5th power. So you start at the front, they're both 5s. Then after the decimal, this is a 2, and that's a 1. So the 2 is larger. So we go 5.2 times 10 to the 5th. And then we've got 5.12. Oh shoot, least to greatest. My bad. I got those backwards. So the 1 is smaller. So we got 5.12 times 10 to the 5th. And then 5.2 is the largest one. I was just a little backwards in my head.